You guys also never know what to make for dinner because you're always on a limited budget. You're working a 9 to 5, trying to stretch the salary just to get through the month. Yep, that used to be me for years. 53-year-old single mom, and I've spent most of my life struggling. Struggling with money and struggling with time. And feeling like I just was not living, just making it through, just surviving, not really living. Let me be real for a minute. I used to wake up at 5:30 a.m., rush to get my kids ready, drop them off at school, sit in traffic for more than an hour, work all day at a job that barely paid me enough to cover my bills. And then I come home and I'm completely exhausted. And I still had to cook, I had to help with homework, and every month I was short and fold the laundry. I dread the end of the month, hoping something, anything would come through. And I used to think, I just need to work harder, maybe take on a second job. But honestly, I had no more energy to give. Then one night, I was scrolling through social media. I saw a woman around my age sharing that she started making money online. She started with digital marketing with no experience, just using her phone. She said, no tech skills, no client chasing, and no direct messaging clients. And I thought, I'll be honest with you, I thought this sounds too good to be true. But I was desperate to try because I've literally tried anything you can think of to make extra money. I clicked on her link and it changed my life forever. What I found was a done-for-me digital product already created, already set up for me. And all I had to do was plug in and follow instructions. There was step-by-step training, a simple system to set up my own business, my own website already built for me, and most of all, a community of people just like me. And at first, I was nervous because I'm not tech savvy. I didn't even know what a funnel was, but they broke everything down in easy, beginner-friendly steps. In fact, I didn't need to build anything for me. It was already done for me. Now, instead of working at 45 plus hours in a stressful job, I work 2 to 3 hours a day. I learned how to automate my business. So when someone wants more information about my business, I don't have to stop and reply. My system does it for me. It sends out emails with a landing page, shares my info, and even handles my sales. This is called attraction marketing. Of chasing people, I create content online that attracts the right people to me. They come to me. They ask me questions. And the best part, they get all the answers automatically. And this gave me back my time. Now I get to walk my dog Luther whenever I want. I get to have slow mornings and I get to say yes when my kids ask me for something. I cook with less stress and I don't dread the end of the month. And I earn in dollars, which has been life-changing for me, especially because I live in South Africa. But this is an international business. And it's all because I took a small leap of faith. I followed the steps and decided to work smarter, not harder. So if you've been feeling stuck, if you've been living from paycheck to paycheck, and you want to start an online business, even if you have no experience, I want to invite you to check out the same system that I'm using. The link is in the description below. And if I can do this at 53 years old, with no tech background and very little time, then my friend, so can you. So don't wait until you're completely burnt out. You deserve to have time freedom, just like me. And you deserve to breathe again. So hit that like button if this spoke to you. And subscribe for more videos that give real moms real results. And if you want me to walk you through on how I started step by step, I want you to comment info. And I promise you, I'll send you the exact details, a free guide that's going to show you step by step. Don't forget to give yourself permission to change your life today.